Yeah. All right. Let's say we have types here. These types we can have. What can we have here? Images, image.d dot ts, and also we can paste the images right here that in the types, and then look at the index. The image are now not complaining, so there is no complaint here, so this is okay. And now image is right, so you can enter control. Let's save the changes. Let's come here again, and we have this type dot t. Let's see, this type dot, these are decorations, right? Now these are decorations, and we also want to make a file of them. And I can also come here and copy them, type the text, so and another one, and call it type, this type dot b dot ts. I think it's type, not types. Let me confirm. It is type, not types. It is type dot. Okay. Then just come and deposit them right there. And you can control. Let's save the changes. And now we can check and try to run this and see whether there will be any problem. And now you can see there is no problem, right? There is no problem so far. We are doing good.